Stickman made his first $100 online without investing a single dollar. Here's the exact method he used and how you can copy it step by step. Making your first $100 online isn't about luck, and it isn't about having money. It's about delivering value, solving real problems online, and repeating simple systems that work for everyday people. When Stickman started, he had no budget, no website, no tools, and no following. Most people waste time trying to look professional. Stickman optimized for profit, not appearance. That changed everything. He began with a skill he already had. That's step one. He didn't try to learn 20 new things. He said, what do I already know that people need? The answer was simple: writing, editing, helping small businesses, and teaching basic digital skills that cost $0 to start. Step two was choosing a platform that was 100% free. He used social media, freelance apps, and forums. He didn't buy premium plans. He created profiles on free websites for services like posting, writing captions, and managing small business social pages. The trick is simple. Services require no upfront cost. If you can do something using only your time and a device, you have a business already. Millions don't know this. Step three was outreach. Instead of paying for ads, Stickman personally messaged potential customers. But he didn't say, "Give me money." He said, "Let me solve part of your problem for free first." This removed doubt instantly. If he was pitching writing, he sent 3 free sample lines first. If he was pitching social management, he redesigned someone's profile for free first. People trust proof more than promises, and proof is free. After that came delivery. That's step 4. Stickman completed small gigs fast for tiny payments like $5 or $10, but instead of withdrawing the cash, he asked for more work or referrals. One key message turned everything around. The message was, who else do you know that needs this? When customers are happy, they distribute you for free. Referral marketing builds income faster than paid ads when you're starting earnings from zero. So he kept repeating this system: outreach, proof, delivery, referral, ask, repeat. Slowly, his first $100 arrived. No money invested, no paid tools, no debt, no ads, no flashy tricks, only consistency. Most people lose money online by paying for courses or tools before earning even $1. Stickman flipped the order. He earned first, learned second, then upgraded only if needed using profits, not emotions. The biggest takeaway is simple. If you want your first $100 online, don't focus on having money. Focus on being useful, showing proof, delivering fast, and asking one person for 2 more. That is compounding applied to business, not investing. And hey, if you want to know the 3 types of people who are literally destroying their finances, click on this video. Tap like, hit subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.